Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. Today we're making baby food using butternut squash and apples. I have a whole butternut squash here. I'm going to cut the top off. I'll keep the bottom for later use. Trim off the end here so it stands flat on my board. And I'm just going to run my knife down to remove the skin. I find this easier than using a vegetable peeler as the skin on butternut squash can be thick. So once our skin is removed, we can cut this down. I'll just slice this into thirds and then into roughly 1-inch chunks. And combining vegetables with fruit is a great way to introduce new flavors to your baby. Once our butternut squash is cut down, add it to the steamer pot. Pop this over the water, put the lid on. We'll cook this about 10 minutes until it's tender. After 10 minutes or so, our butternut squash is ready. We'll hit it with a knife to make sure everything is tender. And we'll just add this to the blender and we'll set this aside. In the meantime, I got 2 organic apples. I'm just going to take my paring knife and peel the skin off. Once the skin is removed, I'll cut around the core. And then we'll cut the apples into roughly the same size as the butternut squash. Same deal, we'll add the apples to our steamer pot. Cook these for about 5 minutes, just until they're tender. We don't want to have applesauce here, we just want it tender. These look good. Add that right on top of the butternut squash. Fill it up with the formula, breast milk, or filtered water, and blend that until smooth, about 30 seconds. Add that to a container. You got butternut squash and apples. Great baby food right here. I'm going to take the other half and I'm going to freeze this for later use. It'll be good in the freezer up to 3 months, and this will hold for 4 to 5 days. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.